news analysis ta mayam bataram okcheri. Hello and welcome to news analysis of Northeast Window. Aikogi Northeast Window na sandokchab national international amasung aikogi tonga tonga Manipur ki local dailies mayam da Manipur karam maroiba pausing yauribage haiba maroiba pausing asi macha khaina khana nabagi damak aikoi chemjaba khana program ni news analysis. Angasi news analysis ki expert election brief ma'am kai khumna viriba Manipur ki saknairaba socio-political commentator Paung Posum sonamani Paung taram nokcheri kai khumna. Thank you very much for joining us Paung. Ngasi ki si Paung national media je pick up tobu matam dadi India ki wina Kolkata ki horror habatare medical student number rep to give masigi watok se haujo in India get watok moiri not just limited to Kolkata horror zidana the masigi subsequent in tonga tonga Thane da UP the ton from the tola iba sexual violence ki yamna masigi crimes sing matang da tonga tonga reporting lay adu ngasi Manipur ki kam pausing national media da yauri bage have da Hindu da koki MLA taragi central government Muina Piba Habatare, Mogi press statement in Tokanda central government, Mogi separate administration, PU Haiba Handaki viral or cube audio clip Matanga Topo Mogi statement widely published away. Masigi Matakta, Indian Express, NDTV, Haiba Mayam Sita Masigi, Wafum Sekuki, Joe MLA, Taragi, or Wafum Stemogi statements are making a pale. Makatana. Naga Vodis, Roman Council, Kokiba, economic blockade, Handoki from the Indian Express, Fungi, Aduga Ahmad B. Partina, Manipur Chief Minister Gimatang, the Togiba Press Conference, so Tonga News, ma'am, headlines already. Aduga Supreme Court, Manipur Chief Secretary, the contempt petition Gimatang, the talk power wafum amasung asi Manipur local headlines ayam betul headlines area masih India ki national TV channels sing amasung national media sing tu yamna widely publicized tawre masih mapung iba pau oina ngasi national media ki orakan da national media amasung ki local headlines mayam si ga manaba mayam amasung yauri ai pau sum lokal charake national ki Ham baze ay pong Shanghai Express tagi lotok charake Shanghai Express tagi lokot chaning baze 2016 ki MPSC recruitment exam ki watok tamnava loidri hari Supreme Court na contempt notice pi gre hari pong masi Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC na loki examination yung mari lina na court na yathang ngakta baga mari lina hauju ji thabak toriba officers sing na wakalak padagi Supreme Court na Manipur ki Chief Justice Binit Joshi da contempt notice issue togre Supreme Court ki Justice CT Ravi Kumar amsung Sanjay Kajol ki bench na maral siribadi Chief Secretary Binit Joshi amsung Land Resource Department ki Secretary Nomaijam Kodav ta masa court lakna notice issue togibani Supreme Court ki contempt notice adu togiba CMPC pangthokiba Manipur Civil Service Combined Competitive Men's Exam 2016 के मरी लेने नहीं हाईवे एग्जाम अदु द खंडुना थबुक तोरो ऑफिसर सिंग वाकलक पदगे नोटिस इश्यू तौखिबनी एग्जाम अदु पांगथोकप मतमदा अरानबा मयाम अम तौकी हाइबगी मतंग मणिपुर हाई कोर्ट ना वाकत मयाम अम लाकी अमसु वाकत चिंग अदुगी मतंग द हियरिंग चेथरबा मतुंग द होखिबा चही 2019 की अक्टोबर 18 द एग्जाम अदु लाली हाइदा लाउतुक्तुना एग्जाम अदु द खनगिबा अपॉइंटमेंट चटना हनगिदबनी खनगिबा मयाम द क्वास तौगिबनी हाई कोर्ट ना खनबदा नतना CBI बु थिगल हनबा हाइगिबनी Tijan give to the examination, to get around Mayam, I'm a chatagre, Wafum Kangmangki, Tangai Fadana, Tabuk on Tokadaba, controller of examination, Haptaba, Tongan Wafum, your repong, I jar of hints and pizza with Nepal. Masi Matansi, come on, can be Kai having
Miraj, the Dominic Jerry. I don't stop on the Malam the Tavi Prince and a Cockland Jerry. Message am Nikain. 2016 issues say as a curtain the Kangi. As a Masigi Nainaba Konaba, Katang Manung the Kang. Public Service Commission have say Lepaki Choko Tarangi, Kok Labor, Apo Punamak, Loin Kanba. Some other Karai the Aquinum, Chain Kapagumna, not a Karai the Aquin Apo Punus Lahora Paton Makata Giba. Examination the Masako Union Public Service Commission get pattern than a Quintorium. Lepak se puguduriba, lengang se puguduris bureaucrats na pugudurimne. Ase state kita makta Manipur Public Service Commission. Manipur Public Service Commission akuna ishor dono khalyam. adu Manipur Public Service Commission si natan yes Assam Public Service Commission gidas achoba issue talki could talk about dinate but Manipur the Thoiba Public Service Commission gi issue si they are regular or irregular. Manipur is infamous for regular or irregular. Secondly, Manipur the any exam conduct over any appointment mayam ge mass pirak patanjada without any scar mark karigum issue tang thok solution be jabase amatang tapu ai Manipur thado chakra ge achumdo tabata. Government listen very carefully. Mune taro misi 2016 ne taro misi parikha se thalaga masi angak pada tari yes. MPSC have say headed by one top ranking officer, Lieutenant General Himalaya Mani Chairman or me. Then matang the my secretary lady, then matar my board member makan lady, then controller lady. Masi kwaidiki mayamdi thak wang credibility. Questions hangba yadwa myoishing. Paisa ka namna paluru de madi no pada puthoga jail people adu mapuchen sing mi oibam toy. The issues I think everybody seems to have involved very thickly.
Yes.
Kari toki haida. Moina toro mise Manipur sa angak scandal tarpatanja se badnaam orani haida Calcutta the papers thare. What I learned, papers se Calcutta the tharaga papers se Calcutta the jingle laga. Amok thare base what people talk. Okay, minute the udri, but report commission report am the lady.
Yes.
Mother deflect or pogum toy. Kari togi haida adi podibo peppered ponamus amukamasiga hangdoga seems to be under what people talk in the market. Kadogi about adi mark to amundok piba. In the eyes of the people, though this Manipur Public Service Commission get credibility lost. There is no credibility the Thajabai Adrabanina Manipur Public Service Commission. People do not trust you. No in a Calcutta the Thare Haya. Calcutta the Pura Lavadi Adi Consing, the Ashim with the Hydopidana. Among Ishuma Martan Layamus Hanaramba, Madigi Ishuni Taurisia. Machine Narakana, some of the candidates Yam Nakok Labor Corporation Narakati Mone case, Simone challenge the Rupani Challenge the Rupasiga. Now Dut ka Dut, Panika Pani Habido. Loina Amu Tapma Mutorakpa. Thorapasika High Court the Chile, but the High Court the same ruling Puire, MPSC conduct over the yes, by that time, Lieutenant General Himalaya, my chairman, my kind of talk, Marijan Togre. Adu Adi Amanamu Tauris, High Court, Namuchali, High Court, Ajari, Manipur Public Service Commission for Yari High. Supreme Court's a very unfortunately high with at the Tagalu with the Moshamu Yari Muhaira. Amokum, they are allowed to reappear here in exam though. What kind of a verdict Supreme Court given? Okay, kind of a Jade. But we definitely feel that Kari verdict no piri bisi. Hani Torpus no Thalo. Amakatang de high. Thalaga. I know Purka Thabi Tamakta. Do I have to seek permission from the Supreme Court? It is up to me. Akone Pambana 2016 gi siga toriba whole kind of system me punsi manghandra pumang mangna loid me shishibo khotpa yaugodor bani police ki officers training other notice police academy ka challuraga uniform ga set na training loidna lakna khotna me mapunsi service horbachi hum mari tordubu no your exam was null and void you are no more DSP haidana Kayanga Kerbonan, Egypt Lila Sanabo talk with the Manipur Public Service Commission Kanba DSP. Adu Lila the Putoga Nak Shelo Rega, Baining Lila the Lurhanang, the Mulato Namakude Michelo, Haibu Manipur government or Manipur Public Service Commission, looking to be wonderful. You are wonderful people. Manali to Manipur Vidre. Adramana Tamakola Masing issues of Supreme Court, some Nainabo Tanjado, ultimately Supreme Court Nahaya. Thalo, Thalaga, Adigi passed the Wusingdo, Makoi to Hanigi 2016, the gay continued the Hulu, Haibamu Lina was a Umpakshaline, Toris of the Yumbuko. Maset Togutoris Carino, Pari, who is the responsible of irresponsible? Ganana Tori Besio, why not the Supreme Court, why not the High Court, why not the government? You go into detail. Kanano Toribisi exam conductor, all the responsible officers are there. All the high educated people are there, highly educated. Makone conduct toribani, Mohani system toribani, we abide their order, we abide their selection. Whatever underground, overground, or Tony Tokai, the Manipur system, you cannot wipe it out. Tore. Miguel life mangan ba what authority you have Manipur government and Manipur Public Service Commission? Who are guilty? Why you do not fix? Why you have ruined the 6 years, 7 years Miguel life mangan basically tau. Madi amuka interview amu tore. Tore maybe 2023 do onung interview tore. Me ayam amu pass tore. Supreme Court na hai dibanam. Ha nigi ito ko parikha thaba to pass to we meo shing amuk thaba do mo the continuity to hun view. Hai di. Adu government amuk yadri tauris. Yung tauris who is right, who is wrong. In a simple way, Manipur government and Manipur Public Service Commission. No koi kari to, but Manipur Public Service Commission or the government of India, why you are not taking any action? Why? Me am stop. Amane any tabakta man thing na lakpadi. You ask explanation. You are very particular. And mama thama irregularities na laktabat tanjada. You suspend him. We abide your order. Sigumba highly scandalized to the quarter whole life manghanda me mayam sigi pun see the manghali pun must say who is responsible? Is it by the head of the government or the head of the state? Or is it by the Manipur Public Service Commission whom you authorized it? Then who are guilty? Why you are not punishing to ruin of this the hundreds people's life? Karigina koi action lau the Manipur government. That means you are also corroborated. What kind of a relation you have? What kind of the credibility you maintain, Manipur government? Your Manipur Public Service Commission is in chaos. People have no trust. That's why people are going to Supreme Court, Supreme Court, Supreme Court.
Yes.
Sukta, Thajade, but Manipur government, why you are not taking action?
Yes. It's a big question, Pabong. Makata ba huyan ang pawdi pawong madlo kachake aduga Shanghai Express ka yamana headlines dum hapani Shanghai Express the top headlines ta happy Sisipur da Maitei gi lam khajinama commission na hiram da district authority na hill council gi authority ga tan ki ge harakle Chuchanpur huyan ang pawda haribana Chuchanpur district administration authority oidrabara Maitei lera mafam sing ngak sena ba hairubada hill council gi authority ga hana tan ba mathau tai harakre Abung masih wafam zi ikut Manipur State Human Rights Commission gi Chairperson Justice UB Sahana Chuchanpur da leramba Maitei sing makoi na leramba laikai mayam sing adu ikut gi lam khopchan ba thengna badagi sambal khajin duna ngak sena bagi na district administration da hairu bada Chuchanpur district administration gi makok thongba official amana sambal khajin tringai mamang da hill council authority ga hana tana ba mathau tai haina khumlaki bi wafam de pabung
I feel pity for that administrative officer. Is he a deputy commissioner? Don't you know that your responsibility? Or don't you know who is the chairman of the Human Rights Commission? On top of that, the Supreme Court has already directed for displaced people, their properties are to be protected. The Human Rights Commission sigi chairman sigi, are you not aware that what is his status? I really feel pity for that person's the deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner no man hairi shibu Hill district ki makoi gi kari hai district council gi makoi gi hana tanarga adigi government of India ki or Human Rights Commission ki or Supreme Court ki order to ma yengani hairina. How ridiculous! Is he the deputy commissioner? Are you so big that or don't you know that the Human Rights Commission chairman, that what is his status? How you have taken and how you have spoken? If the Huyen Lampao or some papers have highlighted about your statement, I bring it to the kind attention of the chairman of the Manipur Human Rights Commission and also to the Chief Minister of Manipur. What kind of a statement he has given? It's ridiculous. I do not know government. You feel that the deputy commissioners are above the Chief Minister? Do you consider? This is undermining the chair of the chairman of the Human Rights Commission. I strongly condemn, not only in the newspaper, why he should not know. Why he should not know. Any letters being communicated from the chairman of the Human Rights Commission or from the Human Rights Commission of the state to the government of Manipur, she is bound to comply it. Miraj Sahab, this is the convention. And just mere one deputy commissioners from one district from the Chuchanpur, how he replied ridiculously, nakoi larijam hai bani noi taurira, then now you have to face the music. So I bring it to the kind attention of the chairman, honorable chairman of the Human Rights Commission. Sir, very sorry, and sorry to see that you are being ridiculed by saying this word and that too in front of you. That's what I heard it. And as per the newspaper, the publication, this is masam nothing but masigumba tabak ase torpa okay atay department torma tarik the government of Manipur, you limited to take action. Why? Why you are having a double, triple way of your administering the state? For IS another, is there any different law? For IPS another different law? For MCS another different law? Manipur government, this is not the way. You have to tell this DC or whosoever may be how he stated like that. This is a shame on the part of the administration. I will not blame the DC alone now. What the Manipur government, you take action. This is what we are going to watch you, Manipur government.
Okay, ma'am. Hojik si pong yamna nungai ta bahai batare hojik koina yamna line khandokpa aduga hojik how much ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯂꯣꯋꯦꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯇꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯇꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯐꯔꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯐꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯦꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯦꯁꯇꯤꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯍꯦꯗꯂꯥꯏꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯥ 15 ꯁꯨꯔꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯃꯤꯠꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯅꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯊꯪꯒꯥꯜ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗ ꯍꯥꯡꯂꯝꯕ ꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟ 70 ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ now Pauna Bazar Manipurgi main market the heart of Manipur economy Pauna Bazar ga Thangal Bazar ga se oidoi pamu masida hangamba 70 dukanzi mazi now it is closed. Pong see the just the tip of the iceberg never go. We are just talking about one market. Imphal ki heartland jida leiba market to gi wari ni Manipur the labor market kudima Manipur the labor kaitain kudima Manipur the labor dukan kudima sida effect of never pamu. Sigi akui economic activities si purchasing power parity yam handarakpagi mami yam chaun tari pabung masidagi amaga ikhugi economic pool the changam ba paisa je paisa handarakpagi mami tari aduna not just pot chai leibada handarakpag nate yum sabada chana bagi ikhugi nomada chara ba pot chai singi changda aduga madi in every area da loni impact period ba pabung ko and what is the current state of our economy at the same time and what is the prospect of our economy in the future adugo sigi economy se sumai tor taragadi Manipur da mi mayam ama haidare magi nomagi daily minimum requirement mayam se fulfill to bangam dabadagi yamna Manipur ji tongan ba fium da lekhibagi oithokpa leibra pong kare habini
ayam chumi lebek thibani Manipur economy se dum orak pajai akone GST ka kara haigale kokale tori natin 70 dukan haibse picked up Impal town.
Yes, but two market ani khata
adu khanni jimbo adu attention lerim khigani kari gino haibda masig reason amani se lady chin kuki terrorist ki group ki mayam manarga lambi thingba kopati matam chana poche lakwa korpa to the sales 100 korpa da pi bangam da ba ade pirak tawal kana matang ashoiba ashulerim mani. On top of that, the extortion letter, demand letter say amal logre tara tharakne tara logre imasu phangode my group ko issue muthajan da bujate ai mo yani de phangre koi manga muthajan da bujate manga de tara muthajan da bujate har dukan phamba mi se leibangam daba Manipur da lady pun mo dukan phammi mi se noina mayang adu haibi ganu. They are the real people who are helping us, who are feeding us. Manipur the labor akudi Manipur pokudi business haiti. Mapandi porkpani. Mapandi porkpas bon ayam of mating tobani. Demand high worthy or hijabaga demand high cannibal lady. Manipur the lishing mem group lady, civil societies group lady, Manungi lady, Mapangi lady, Bahari lady, Garwali hai, Baharwali hai, Dunia Giloina function with Ogri Chalap, Lupalsin Trapidi, the Muchang, Ama Muchang Hilon, Ama Muchang and White Power, Winton, Amanamai, see associates, function of the I know the pediatric Amat Angat promotes Kangum the journey. Kang was in a Maktana. Paisa some putorak patigi moi dukan se mache close to moina close to means akhoi the mangjabunis mache kari gyan tabitagia 70 दुकान ऐसे इम्फाल के तमुते इट्स अ वेरी बिग नंबर साइब ताई अखोई पॉपुलेशन से जाम बनते दुकान मसिंग से जाम बनते अदो दे तपना दुकान 70 दुकान से अचोबा दुकान सप्लायर मयम दगी लौरगा अमुक मोइना मु अति द मु थादो कुदरबो जोंगदर दो अदो सप्लायर मेन दे समा सम क्लोज तरुकिने मांगुदे मेन लोबिनी या लेतबनीना अदुना मणिपुर से हजिर लेरिबो सिचुएशन दा मिपुम पुनमुक लोइना अखोई चिन कुकी टेररिस्ट की ग्रुप ते तोबिगनो लेंगदलिबा मपानदलिबा अफो पुनमुक सेसोकन लोइना फबो ngakतनी अदुबुने मतम हनी मतम मतंग सिगददी मखोइद नैबा खोटपा अखोइना नमफुद अदु पीदे अदा तौदबो जादे बॉम लंगछनबा दोबैना कपसलमबा थ्रेट लेटर पीबा खोटपा तोबा असि तोबिदबा फै नतदे मणिपुर पुमुत मुतकनी अखोइ मुतलबा हौरबनी अखोइने थंगनदुगो दृश्य खोइदे अचौबा लान नमा वालिने लान से दुम हौबीरी मोइना हौरी अखोइना पाखुम पीरी अदुमना मांगथार अखोइ तुंगने चटके मणिपुर हिंगना बहान होनसी मणिपुर तलिब बिजनेसमैन पुनमुपु मोइबुसु अखोइने ngakhisi मखोदे मतम अफो मतम अखोइने मतेंग से लौसी के दोगे अदु होजिक होजिकति लंबी थोंग जादबा मोइ पोचे कया मांगबा मदि मांगी पुनमुत खदम कोप खन ममन हेंगल बद नो 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 नंगी पोचे ममन हेंग खरेको हाइद अमन मुला थिंगनी मदि अमो पैसा न मु ताइनगनी अदि अमो मु लाकनी अमो पैसा न लदो मु ताइनगनी असमान तौ तौ न मोसे पुब ngamaktaba sina ayamba dukan homu taras tasnate atishe helmgani aduna takpad akombada aigi jumda aina port jolaga aigi nupi ne ngode leibage bhapta tarakadore adi port se kadai dum phangudori अखोई बिजनेस बॉम्बे दिल्ली कलकत्ता चेन्नई हैदराबाद और तेलंगाना अखोई खंगदे मीदी मदुगी तमक्ता स्पेशलाइज ओइबे ngakतनी मोइ बिजनेसमैन पुनमक लोइना मखोइना लोइना खोइदा हजि मतंग मोइना पैसा लोबई वानते अखोइ बि मोइना लेप्तना चरा हेंदना पिजरेदना अखोइ बि थम्मी बसे वी मस्ट एग्री एंड वी मस्ट थैंक देम अदुगी महुत्ता मखोइदा खोइना लोइना नैब तारबा पैसा की अखोई कुबेर दोना मखोइना पाइग्रबने वखन पुरगा एत पुसल नोंगी पुसलुबा बॉम हे उलुबा मदि फी अतोप हेसेलुबा थ्रेट लेटर थाजनबा अदि खरकन टेलीफोन गांगसनबा अखोइने तोब तारकपदे मोइ लोन मुल्ला चेनगीगनी अकोमद अखोइ भिखानी ने चाब तारकनी मणिपुर महनबा अखोइने से तारकनी मणिपुर मुथत अखोइने से मणिपुर हाइबे से कोन हाइजबदो कलेक्टिव ऑफ 35 कम्युनिटीज एंड ऑल ओवर इन द मिनी इंडिया नि मणिपुर हाइबसे मधु माइंग चफम थोई मसिंग थबक से जारी में तोबिदब फई हजिगी मतंग द बिजनेसमैन द नैब खोटपा मोद थ्रेट लेटर तोबी को जारी में तोबिदब फई आई मयाम द आई हंगचगे अखोय यमवान लेरी मखोय मतिंग लरु खो लंदागदोरिबिने चीन को के टेररिस्ट बद अखोय मदि मतिक चार पकुम पीगदोरिबिने अखोय लंदागदोरि से पुक्त चाक जाउत करम लंदारोदोरि तो अखोने सेलिबा फिरोन पुनमक बौसनिया लरित्रबदी खुदी सेलगदे लांताबो याबा होने जन को
अचुंबो वफमनि पाबुं मथंग जे आई पाबुं सना लेफाक अमसुंग नाहरुल थौदांग दगी लखचगे नाहरुल थौदांग द कुकी एमएलए सिंगना इचुमकोम खारम आइमोल चिरुगी मियोइसिंगदा आधार कार्ड वाटअप ओइन हाउकिप हापत्रबदे साक्थुंग अमद पीद्रे हैबा कोकोमीगी कोरेंटर समरेंद्रोगी वाफम अमसुंग कोकोमीना मणिपुर चिन स्टेट हापसलपद सेनबसिंग एक्शन लौद्रबदे खोंजन चेसिंगनी हैबजे मणिपुरगी सानाले बाग थौदांग द यामरो पावइना पोंगी हाइबा पावसिमक्सि नेशनल मीडिया सिंगदसु एको योंगरप थेंगनरे पाउ करी हैबिनिंगी वाफम अनिसि तोंगा तोंगा पाउदी ओए हानबा मणिपुर चिन स्टेट हापसलपा द चेनबसिंग एक्शन लौगदबनी हैबा वाफम लाई मसी खोंजन चेसिंग गदेबनी हैबा कोकोमीगी वाफम मसु लाई हौकिबा अगस्त की तांग ताराग तरेता हैबा तारे मणिपुर चीफ मिनिस्टर ना कम्युनिकेट तौरबा मतुंगदा चीफ मिनिस्टर थागलपा माके फेसबुक पोज अमदा अखोइ सेक्शन द यादे अदुना सुमाइन तौरमे सुंबा असोइबम यौरमे हैरकान मसी थागलपने एंड आफ्टर दैट मधु मणिपुर की चीफ मिनिस्टर की पोस्ट ओइबनिना दैट वाज वाइडली पब्लिसाइज्ड इन द नेशनल मीडिया अदुदगी कांग्रेस केम इन अदु कांग्रेस ना हाइबी सुजी अमना चाउना रेस्ट तौरक्रे एंड हौजिक सिविल सोसाइटी मुक लाए हौजिक मधु फैक्चुअल इरर मनी विड्रॉ तौक्रे हाइदना ऑर्डर अम थोक्रे मधु चुमनगी फैक्चुअल इरर मनी ना लोगदोरिबरा नत्रगना हौजिक कोकोमीना हाइरिबा मधु मारा लेबा मयाम जे दंदी पीगदौनी हैबो फुंसि पम करे हैबनी
अचुमनी दंदी पीगदमनी सरकार ने हेता ऑर्डर थोगा सर्कुलर म थोगा अदुबु हाइदे इट इज बीइंग इफेक्टिवली इंप्लीमेंटेड और नॉट मसिनी येंगदबा ऑर्डर दे सरकार न क्लियर इशू तो ए पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन पुन मो चेयरमैन कंदे अम कंदे एग्जाम पजन कंडक्ट तौदम पजन स्पेशल तौदम ए दिस इज ऑल से फॉर से अदुगु इंप्लीमेंटेशन तो में तंजाता पूरा अखोई से करी हन पुंगतुम तुमन बयवाने लेंगांग न थोकी वो दिस इज बाउंड टू इशू सच क्लैरिफिकेशन एंड इट्स अ मैंडेटरी ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट adu jagadori ba logodori ba ingadori ba sa kanano. These are the people. Haja tawri se yung Chin Cookie terrorist group nam. National media da akoi bu makoi na fake narrative se national media na yam na pami. National media that the government of India is against us. I dare to say, madam di tawdi pulamat se Bharat Sarkar na munna janghandra bane na shirisu shishan wain layer bane na. I dare to say that Bharat Sarkar na koi interest sung ले ली तबने. जो पिटना मारना जो खून बहाना जो कुछ करना जो मर्जी करो, हम दूर में हैं, हम अपने जगह पर है, तुम अपने जगह पर हो. हाय था तो पगुम तवी. अदुना ने कोई तोड़ी पुन में से चीन को की टेररिस्ट ने मोने मपांगन हेंगली पर नत्ता तबक तो समय हेंगली पर डे बाय डे तकोली पुन में से सीता सुना से so many steps मोह तरुक दे मोह गाइन ले री बनी. अदु तोड़ी पुन में से somebody behind them. Who are those people? Some people are also trying to prop them up. Somebody are trying to help them. Kanano modo is the Bharat Sarkar. Nukune tumi le ri bata abde moh ne ji hengale do. Aduna ngasi mokoi ne koi gi sagai ohum marida makoi de kuki haiba wahi se 15 de moi Aadhaar card taka 15 di makoi sigi kariguma mai district lebe any kind of makoi benefits phangat ba government digi adu mone piro hesi how they are young nga chubune nga macha chathokke haina toruk pasibu masibu how do we tolerate? This is a civilized society in Haji ko. Naga community, Manipuri community, other community and Manipur government akoi me masibu masi action lobham thoktabra akoi dang nakta conflict ni haina tori pun mase natta ngasi di moine sagai pun mase macha pun mase josallam khodi chingjange haina toriba sibu. This such kind of mischievous activities mase akoi mase stop tobham tawi government na community pun manusu mase yam thoi Chin Cookie jo nakoi tribe le nakoi nual na popon na chatara salo Mizoram da nupi nipu loba more than 200-300 mai macha lady world ki highest nupi nipu loba mai maim du mai macha chani yang hai ma poi am da khan di yembu world ki highest record ne no si nupi mem lo no na cha do chani chom chamri po una mi ati sagai dabu nokoi gi title thonjan dabu jade nampu sasan tobo korpadam. This is absolutely unwanted. Nokoi togunu adum thabogodo koi jade we strongly condemn. We are for the people, those who really maintains their principle, who doesn't encroach. Amadigi ama kuthingjan daba amadi amada namthak togdaba amadi amada aina chobuni na machani had nampu sasan togdabo adugumba community da koi support togani. Nampur sasan to mean jada tabak the moina must to good Nampur to do Suya Yaroya Jabam Tokte. We strongly condemn. We hope other community Punamaksamaseko Jabam Tokte. My Sagi I meet around service I Sagi I Jatkatuan I identity Nakshagani. Who the hell they are? Who the hell other people to swallow? Makui automatically Migi Sagi Mulan Naba Migi Bangsapura Mulan Naba Tobisu Masajabam Tokrene. Not at all. I strongly condemn. Whole community, other communities should condemn. Manipur government should look into it. Masiuma mischievous activities se matung na thok tanaba natrabadi Manipur lenga ki makokta pham rabadi moi kuntho habi yaroi habi something thamjege.
Pabung ngasi editorial dang loba chage ngasi ki editorial da Ichel Express ki koi oza Hemchandra Salam ki editorial ji lokho chage lengak na linsu sinaba chaisu su tek tanaba thorang ama paikhat hningi haukiba megi tang ahum dagi thoklakpa Manipur gi hingsa gi thodok singje pallaka ngasi phawbada mi lising humpu henna na jena dun lere khunda leita na bagi thabak paikhat le harabasu mapung phadri ching amasung lamphak ge saruk singda loin order ngak pangam dabagi aru film mayok na hali gandom asida loin order gi film ka hena suksen gre law enforcing agency habade Manipur police ki marakta yamasida tonga fu mayam yori pamu maro ina haini bazi lin su sina ba chaishu su tek na ba Manipur gi issue se resolve tong na ba gi thorang sing paikhat ningi haiba wafam aduga law and order fazana maintain tong na ba gi wafam sing maro ina palli pabung Ichel Express ki editorial da kari habini pabung
lin su chaishu te kado se jaro de bani government please don't give such kind of a comment. Law and order phaglan gani very good, people are with you. Aiki imung me mayam maran legit me punu hat pokon like do you feel that I will just okay map in ngaping in honorable chief minister and the head of the government, please, I don't accept at all. Kari lin shushi bache shu tek ta bai kari no hat me mayam me maran legit puntum tul map punu se makoi gitam kanim to khandar makoi bu han hingalu hana. Law and order improved we agree 100%. You go ahead, people are with you. You are a popular chief minister. We are with you. Some criminal people, some narco terrorist people opposed to that means, are you thinking that government chief minister ki jum the kauraga government is in kauraga loina chak pijaraga dhup barti thara lingyan can no in a hat ki do me the yaman ki de kharaga sinu the hat namun to view ne haina haibi gidu bra adu no ta halaga tumin lege linshu shi bache shi tektawa as phaju wahini adu to vinu lenga shoidna ba haibi gano akoi tamoi nuaite adu mai do haibi gano akoi chaklan leiri bani hai akoi iskar matam namtang compromise what kind of a compromise you need Manipur thugai na machet tari pun mas you still do you feel that the head of the government that is that not enough or are you trying to ask them to create more and more problem? No. Justice being meted out. Why there is a court? Why there is a high court? Why there is a Supreme Court? Other means a ponga tahalal gator pare ay kulapon ani jare ay ngak adulu bijab. No, we don't agree. Personally, from my side, I vehemently, I protested Sungay Yaroy. Manipur loan order pagal me tamak. We all people are with you. No in a tawet to quit tawgam. Mashi Pramak, Tori Pulmasi, Matik Chan Masigi, befitting reply. That means the court is there. At the court Namasi Tausanu, High Court Tausanu, Supreme Court of Tausanu, justice be given from the court, okay, not bribe, not from the politician. That's all.
National media national news something logo jage Prime Minister Modi Poland gi India thadokre Ukraine ki President Zelensky unadu no wari shagadori. India has been very close to Russia for a time. At the same time, India is also collaborating with US aduga in many areas. And again, India is very close to Israel. Geopolitics India na kaliba mafam se India je Zelensky amuka unaruk bagi wafam ne maze India na Russia ga deal tungnoba eko foreign trade ki matang da Western nation amadi USA na tatana question tawrag lakpani hojik amuka India na Ukraine da chakadori baze kanagi interest sakadori bano at the same time mazini India gi mafam mama as a power ma oina world gi global power ma oina utpa matam da both Russia at the same time Ukraine ani makti influence to ngamba national mo in utpangam gadori bra nakalam the opposition leader mayam amana starting from Trinamool Congress Aam Aadmi Party amadi Congress ki leaders sing and Samajwadi Party gi mayam amana Ukraine gi conflict sida chatpagi wafam sida hogiba matam kaya dagi ngasi phawbuji da Prime Minister criticize tawbuji Manipur da chatpangam de haiba wafam je ngarang handa phoku haigi leire kai having matang sida
opposition parties, Miraj, they're right. INDIA, you're right. Bharat Sarkar hai sakana ki tamakta no. Bharat ki manung dalaiba. Praja mayam ki tamakta, state mayam ki tamakta, dharma mayam pulam ki tamakta. Masiga phapata pulam sa hani yengko hai bi watani. My geopolitics world, yes, is a popular leader. I agree. Magi aggregates hajik 76 or 77 or more or less 78% jorokadore hajik. Chumi Manipur da shumain tangdu na tan later na shi na khotna hanan khotna tori pon mo se karim ta thawa sadana Bharat ki mapan de chatlaga my professor yes he is a world leader I agree mana chali ba pon mo se yes America waraudi ma America se masu abab country natte masu supremacy taning mani adige ati country supremacy taning mani India na mana haidi no Russia is our all allies aji chumi mai masa ngam mani makoi di kuj kolai libe billion dollars lobo kopaga sa America ko kar wadaudi koloni but that is not the concern for India that's okay Russia do unai matung da country makan gi unari koli hajima Poland unari di hajima ati so unagi dori ka Ukraine unari it is also a good sign up to some extent mana chatpase world ki leaders na karta gani manam di इंडिया की डेमोक्रेसी और इंडियन की लीडर्स से वर्ल्ड वाइड हानदी नेहरू ने तरुम खर तौरमी मदी गैप जाम लाखी और मिस्टर वाजपेयी खर खर अमुक लेरमी हजिक मिस्टर मोदी की वर्ल्ड वाइड से इंडिया से यामना इंपोर्टेंस पीब इंडिया लीडरशिप अखोई उबगम तर वी आर हैप्पी अखोई से पामी एज एन इंडियन अमा होइना अदु अमेरिका गिसु मसमय यौ मन बांग्लादेश मन तौरमी से अमेरिका ना she wanted to have one island forcibly she wanted to occupy Bangladesh though my airport should have airstrip thamaga so that she can control the whole Southeast Asia adu he yabrane adu yadre heta athokpa meta tawba no that kind of policy should not be adopted adu numaite adu India either America or Russia or France or Canada ki work questions not we have our own stand adu di chummi tawdi punum खरेदी इफेक्ट सोदन लाकनी मरमदी मसे एंटायर अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज एंटायर अखोगी पर्सन गर्ल्स अखोई मुस्लिम कंट्रीज से एक्सेप्ट पाकिस्तान नतना अति 99% मुस्लिम कंट्रीज पर मसे मिस्टर मोदी बु याई अदुसु जानिंगी याई अखोई थगले याम फजन रिलेशन ले अदु यूक्रेन ने थोई बसे डायरेक्टली और इमीडिएटली मसी सोल्यूशन नो प्रोपोंगम द्रबसु रशिया सु खनगनी अस मसे अनिमक्त लोने फजरी खोली यूएन सु खनगनी इवन पर्टिकुलरली अमेरिकन और यूरोपियन यूनियन और वेयर द अमेरिका गोस होल यूरोपियन यूनियन चलकनी नेटो के चलकनी दो असिसु मखोई लोने खनगनी इट विल हैव सम इंपैक्ट मरमदी कोई डेमोक्रेसी से कोई डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री से वर्ल्ड एक्सेप्ट हुई द लीडरशिप ऑफ मिस्टर मोदी इट इज बीइंग एक्सेप्टेड बाय द वर्ल्ड country amanina janing the or that is a different issue aduga his role will really play a pivotal role aduga yamna singdama tarongani yamna phajinma tarongani not only that India is emerging superpower the India world ki the UN da koi gi permanent seats koi logidoribini that also other side of the coin aina adong na mating taroba ai sikitang mating khanang phangadra at least a well best wishes adong the is expect within a co that is also a policy but see world gi geopolitics ne entire African countries and the Muslim countries or other countries say India bu loni yana chal except European countries ki country amani gumba or American gi kari haini koi Canada gumba due to my political gi kari hani my privilege ki tamakta Sardar Singh gi my terrorist Singh si mateng to bokko natradi 99% se much whole world the Pakistan amani natrabadi 90% se mapu appreciate tawi khol because we have been playing a very clean politics hai bata
okay bang
adui tamakta
okay bang last oina pang oina local chari baze international news ni hauzik si yamna thajadaba mong da hai bata in a very surprise attack Ukraine Russia ki konung eriba Moscow da the largest drone attack ever
yes
ngarang ji drone mayam changchela ka da
80 drones
yes mayam ji drone trama thoi ka da gre number of drones changchela ka da khwai gi chaw attack ma tawgi Russia na masi ki war tactics da pang ina hangjading is Russia na kari gumba Ukraine loksan ji hai tar ga di all out war tawra ka da week amada loksan bi yare pang I in terms of magi manpower adu magi military capability le mayam se da adu Russia na selective अखोगी ऑफेंसिव चंगा कांदा मागी इन्फ्लुएंस हागा निंगी बाबु सुमाना कंट्रोल तो निंगी एरिया डोनबास की रीजन मचे चिकंतंग माना पायरगा थमगा लाखिबनेबा अतो मफम सिंग दे यानि खै अटैक तो देबेदा अदुना अखोगी हौजिक माने न थोइबा वार पुन मक्ता सिविलियन कैजुअलिटी ख्वाइदि हंदबजे रशिया यूक्रेन वार से ओयेना पबुं पानरिबनी अदुबु अखोइना अयाम मतुमदा अखोगी जेलेंस्की की नत्रगना अखोगी यूक्रेन की वारफेयर से यंकांदा रशिया की मेन सिटी सिंगसिदा अयाम अटैक तो बुगी पोची even sometimes Vladimir Putin gi magi lay from the forward drone attack to be yaure so mind to the is Ukraine provoking for an all out war so that ngasagi Ukraine the support of the western nation mayam ji pulap changchela kan the lanji tawhan ningbagi apambu oiribra and what is the wise behind Zelensky kari happening
Zelensky shidi where America goes entire Europe will go NATO countries will go aduna completely Zelensky ki maning the lady was say whole Europe you have rightly pointed out NATO plus America or the everything Canada everything going jawr bane Russia alone Russia ki asuiba amana overconfident kar oiba asini khoi lu bai se ultimately jelli kari to kuni Zelensky na tawriba kholabu ase mai khulai dam tas yaw dabanina more and more supply to Russia se manghan complete tumna honare kani aji masigi ultimate result Russia mangdinga da Russia na most probably nuclear bomb sijina bajai that will be the end of the game. There is no doubt, there is we cannot speculate that no, he may not do. That will be the last show. So European Union or NATO and America and other countries mayam puna mose Russia dil even nuclear devices puna mose amatang thada bada whole Ukraine sampura loirigani. That will be the end of the story. Mother the world war amu nuclear gi war amu torokani do. Will that stage will be reach or not have wahi amalai? We pray to God, show the tone bidaba. Although Russia should not overconfident. Russian aggressions ka tawdi chumoi wara moi haibabu. Nungsi. Ako sa balkanized to be clear. Country kuntare Nepal akoi Russia the lon balkanized to be clear like thibadige. Muni pami Ukraine is a very important focal point aibo. Potok chatok phajaba sadegi mayam gi punamo ko world gi ko worship punamo chatok chaching chatpa kotpa ko gi kari haina ko gi potok chatok punamo se loni Ukraine se lon granary plus hana mamang gi ko nuclear gi ko gi powers ki makan ki factories punamo se loni Ukraine the loni leramba. Ukraine is very important for us according to her. Mun noi the lermani na hana. Asipun must the money Ukraine is the pang paiwania. Of course it is aggression now as part the language. Kari thokuni nobody knows it. Okay, we pray to God and to Russia. No akom the nuclear device to the bomb the Russian daba. That is the only last solution. And Russia took overconfident kiba.
Okay.
Other NATO say we don't want war.
Okay.
We want peace.
We want peace.
We want peace.
Okay.
And it should not longer.
It should
Other Modi, you play role. Very good. Akar impact lakani soidana. Definitely must impact her lakani. Russia ga moi tiner India tiner busu khardana handoko sitogonu har shara hanumani. Hai dabu yaroi. Nangi position si lady. Russia India kind of jaroi. Russia America kind of jaroi. Russia ga koi percent Gulf Muslim countries ma'am ga Modi lady go amat kind of roi. Modi is the whole world the Muslim countries except Pakistan se low in a pajanati nei kone. Other frequently even Jimbu. Saudi Arabia told the young mob. Akoi the ishing pew, Nakoi the Tau low, undersea the 2,000 kilometer from Bombay to Dubai. She may say, why they're making for nothing just for ishing pew? What a fun! So many $1 billion. It is only the good relations. So he has developed a lot. But in Manipur, totally you have neglected Mr. Modi, Honorable Prime Minister. We are not happy on you, Prime Minister. Okay,
well, thank you very much. I could give Hojik Laiva, another global orders since Cold War. Malayam is quite a volatile over conflict, quite a talk. Matamama, they couldn't have visit from Asia to Africa and from Latin America to Europe. Leriva mafam sida hojik volatile oidaba conflict thokta mi sidaba war leitaba mafam ambo leishalakta gi fibam ni masik mangla malemgi anoba third world war amagi symptom la haibagi achaw wangsing lai adu whether third world war thokadra na thoidra haiba wangduna tongana thamakada anoba world order amadi emerge story have sim de make senge. On this note ngasigi news analysis ta yamna chaun thodong lobi hiba manipur sangnai ba socio-political commentator pabung posam sonamani bongan thagachari kai khunu uchari loina ngasigi program se huding loi fomi yang tabi hiba manipur miam punung po amukan thagachari kai khunu uchari not is ikogi news analysis ta window news analysis ta national, international, amasung local headlines ma'am kanani nabagi matam supada news analysis being tadun review ma'am thagachari.
Paramedical courses sing tambagi khudong chaba vizari Manipur International University Makhada MA Science MLT BA Science Clinical Nutrition MLT RIT OTT Diploma MLT OTT ECG Dialysis Optometry Anesthesia Technology gi course sing admission hauzari vizariba khudong chaba singi ahanbada scholarship ki khudong chaba su vizari Ani subada lower income amadi orphan singi akhanaba khudong chaba sing su pizari ahum subada tambal loyaba matungda 100% job placement legani mai subada college asigi campus manungda multi speciality hospital amalai zari manga subada mapung fana ningthina clinical training tawbagi facility leire Taruk subada experience leraba qualified oiraba faculty khaktana takani. Aroibada hostel amadi library ki khudong chabasu pizari. Langsin Viraksi JR Institute of Medical Science Hata